We've always believed that wars are fought for power, for flags, or for territory. But in 2026, the world is facing a terrifying new reality. This time, the war isn't for glory, it's for survival.
What we once took for granted, water, is now being called blue gold, and the energy that powers our civilization is slipping out of reach. Is this the beginning of the Great Collapse?
By 2026, 1/3 of the global population is facing extreme water scarcity. Even in developed nations, water rationing has become a daily reality. Underground aquifers are drying up, and the control over rivers has turned into a global flashpoint.
From the Nile to the Indus, water is no longer just a resource. It has become a weapon of war.
But the crisis doesn't stop at water. As energy supply chains fracture, the world is grinding to a halt. The 2026 energy shock isn't just about rising prices, it's about the total failure of the systems that keep us alive. Cities are plunging into darkness, and factories are falling silent. Are we witnessing the end of the industrial age? Is this just nature's revenge, or is there a darker game at play? In 2026, those who control the water and the energy will rule the world. This is no longer about politics, it's about total resource control. The era of abundance is over. The crisis of 2026 is a warning. When nature is pushed to the brink, the price is paid in blood and gold. Is your region already feeling the heat? How prepared are you for the wars of tomorrow? Let us know in the comments. To stay ahead of the crisis, stay tuned to TrueScope. Thank you for watching.